Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure VLC is up to date because version 3.0 and later includes native 360 playback. Once done, place your 360 MP4 or MKV file where you can access it. Now open VLC and load the file via Media Open File or by dragging the video into the window. This gets you into the player immediately, so you can switch projections and controls in the next step without wasting time on peripheral settings. Once the file plays, enable the 360 projection so VLC maps the spherical video correctly. Find View and pick the 360 video or projection option, then select equirectangular for most sphere footage. You can now click and drag to look around, use arrow keys for small adjustments, and scroll to zoom. If the video stutters, make sure hardware-accelerated decoding is enabled in Tools Preferences Input/Codecs, or change the video output module to OpenGL or DirectX for better performance. To finish, adjust projection presets or switch to interactive view so the framing matches your headset or desktop viewing preference. This ensures correct horizon and orientation. If you need a static shot, take a snapshot or convert the clip to a different container. If something goes wrong, like dropped frames or audio sync, update your graphics drivers, toggle VLC's video output module, or enable hardware acceleration and restart VLC. These fixes resolve most performance and compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.